This is my life. Blinding white out here. Good morning, everyone. It is Tuesday, the I think it's the 29th of November. I think. Hold on. Let me fact check that real quick. It is the 29th of November. The dogs are playing. Right when I start doing this, obviously. It is morning, so it is time. Hey, Kenai, quiet, please. Hey. No. Go. No, don't fight me on this, Key. Go. Thank you. So they know it's time for breakfast, so they're being pretty, loud. But it is breakfast time. We sleep in the house, but all of our stuff is out here in our trailer, so I have to go feed them out there. Hey, on our gear. Anyway, time to go in. It is so warm in here. We don't sleep out here because the temperature fluctuates too much, and I can't sleep when the temperature fluctuates too much, so we sleep inside. But let's feed the dogs. Not this one. Just Kenai and Raya. Let's go. I think I'm also gonna have a liquid IV, but I think all of our water is inside, so I don't think we have any more full waters out here because we haven't been out here in a week. So I need to go inside to get that. Liquid IV, folks. It's like a godsend for disabled people. And I thought we were out, but thankfully we are not. We're gonna get their bowls. Jeez. Here's one bowl, Raya's. And then, where's yours, Kenai? Yours always manages to get lost. He pushes it around. Let me find it. I'm confused. Hold on a second. We're gonna pause. And what is lost is found. And yes, it says Raya's name on it. That was when me and Raya went to a trip and I put Raya's name on it. And I just haven't changed it because we got Raya these plastic bowls because my lovely lady Raya got scared of the metal ones because her tags banged against it and got stuck on my bowl elevator because it's all metal and it made a lot of clashing, and now she's scared of the metal bowls. So that's my sensitive dog for you, everyone. This is why she has to take an extra long break, because now she's scared of everything, and it's not a fear, period, everyone that thinks that's what that is. No, it's just her. It's not a fear. Woo, falling. Alright, so I start with, we feed them Hill's Science Diet, if anyone's wondering. We do the large adult. Alright, and then I have Kenai under me. And then for their supplements, they get mobility, Cosequin bite things, like tablets. They get 2. Alright, and then Raya gets some dietary supplements. I would give them to Kenai, but he's so picky, and even if you try to mask the taste of them because he's not like them, he will still he won't eat if he has even the slightest thing that they're in there. So Raya's the only one that gets the dietary supplements because Kenai is, but maybe one day he'll trust me enough to eat all of his food without investigating it first. I've had him for a month, a little bit longer than a month. Alright, and then next, chia seeds. This is also good for dietary. It's a dietary supplement, people. Alright, and then that goes in Raya's, and then I'm starting to get him to eat it. So just the teensiest amount in Kenai's, half of what I give Raya. So I give Raya half a tablespoon of chia seeds every day, once a day. Alright, and then next we have, this is by Dog MX, the wild salmon oil blend to go in their food. It's really good for skin and coat, and also dietary. Kenai, stop doing that. Anyway, that just goes over their food. Like so. Can't see it, but that's what I do. Anyway, next, they get some liquid egg whites. Just sprinkle that on there. And yes, I would rather get them real eggs, but this is what we have because we have a grocery list, and then they got this instead. So we're using it until we have actual eggs. And then, once again, because my dog is a bitch, pumpkin, which I would wish I could give to Kenai, but Mother Fluffer does not like pumpkin, so I only give it to Raya, which is good for digestion. Kenai doesn't believe in digestion because they're mean. Anyway, next. We give them just plain old water. Sorry, guys. I got bit by a dog yesterday. And yeah, that doesn't look bad. No, it's not. It's deep, but it's not like horrible. But the problem is it's deep on my joint, and now that hurts my joints. So this arm is like dead. All right, pour the water in. And also, no, it was not either of my dogs. Just to clarify, it was not Kenai or Raya. A very important detail of coconut oil, which again, Kenai won't eat pumpkin, and coconut oil. He just doesn't like things that are good for him, apparently. He just likes plain food. He's finally eating his, like, he wasn't eating his mobility bites for the longest time. I hate coconut oil, people. I do, really do, with a passion, because it just, I hate, usually we also put chicken broth in there, but that's inside and I'm lazy, so I'm not putting it in. And then I usually give them a treat, but those are also inside, so they're not getting that either. All right, let me show you. This is their food. He gets 2 scoops and Raya gets 1. My scoop is a cup and a half. So Raya gets a cup and a half. He gets... I might be dumb. Hold on.
I see. Well,
3? No. Yes, 3 cups. Oh my god. That... I'm dumb as shit. Alright. Time to feed them. They go in their kennels to eat because... I don't know, because. It's just because. Alright, hold on. Alright, so I'm going to tell you about my agenda for the week. It's really intense. Nothing. So, it's going to be just a fantastic vlog this week because I got bit. And, yeah. Because I have off of work all week because of my bite. Because I can't use my arm and I need to type for work. So, I'm off work. It's my dominant hand, so that doesn't give me many options of what I can and cannot do. That involve like arm usage. I've been drawing a little bit, because I updated my channel. If you go to my homepage, you'll see that I updated my profile picture and my little banner thingy. I'm also gonna get food ready for Nico, which is my girlfriend's stuff. I do some of that, made my arm really hurt, but you know what? I still have a job to do, which is that. I have multiple jobs, people.
I
Yeah. Oh,
see. Ridiculous.
he gets all the
Sorry.
supplements. He also gets, wait for it, this. This is Laxatone. What is Laxatone? I will tell you. It's a lubricant for his intestines and his ass. Because he has a really weird digestive system. And so anytime he eats anything, it doesn't come out very easily. So he gets, first of all, he has a very limited diet of his food, his supplements that help his digestive, and then treats, like his treats that we've already found are good. And that's about it. These dogs get pretty much whatever because they can digest it. But no, Miko can't eat anything. So as soon as he eats something, he blocks up and he can't poop. So, yeah. Is this hand, Hi, it's hurting. It's hurting a lot. The door is open. Miko can come in here. I just don't know. I want to call him, but he might be inside and then he won't hear me and I'm calling for nothing. But he needs to be fed because his food is already. And yes, he does get a slow feeder because he inhales everything. It's hard because a dog with a limited diet just wants to eat everything in sight. So he like scavenges food. He eats other people's food, and it's just a whole ass mess. Anyway, let me call him and see if he comes in. Back, and the man, the myth, the legend is here. We're gonna pick him up without hurting my hand. This is Miko, my girlfriend's service dog in training. She's asleep. She's been feeling really sick, so I'm feeding him. You want your breakfast? Alright, here you go. I might film a gear tour this week so we can follow along for that. I'll put a little snippet in there. I don't know, because the vlog this week is going to be pretty uneventful. I'm going to try to like do fun things, but you know, it kind of all depends on how my hand feels. Usually, Kenai would be at work with me. He's at work with me once a week. He's just barely going to be starting to go twice a week. Because he is new, people. We got to appreciate the fact that he is very new. He's in here. I'm probably ranting. I'm probably not even going to put half of this in the vlog because I don't know when to shut up. Because I love it. As like, come on. Anyway, I think I'm just going to get our stuff that needs to go inside during the winter, bring it in. So I have the whole box packed full of just things that we use on our day-to-day, and I know it looks like a lot, but we have 3 dogs, so most of it is for the dogs. So like this is all their supplements, their bowls, their brushes, their Dremel charger, because the Dremel's already inside, and then we have all the medical stuff, my homework for school. Yeah, so this is all necessities, I promise. All right, so we're back inside. The box of stuff that you just saw is over there, but Zach's present came in the mail, so we're wrapping it along with my mom's presents. I'm not going to show you because I know Zach and Kyler, and if they find the YouTube channel before Christmas, they're going to look at it and then they're going to know. So no surprises. Let's go. I'm going to put a time lapse.
Come with me and you'll be in a world of pure imagination. Take a look and you'll see into your imagination. We'll begin with a spin, traveling in the world of my creation. What we'll see.
Kenai, you ready? Sit. Good boy. Wait for me, Kenai. Good boy. Come on. Come on. Slow, Kenai. Good boy. Slow. Good boy. Hello. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Hello, perfect boy. That's a cute picture. Yeah. Good boy. Better chew that. I'm sorry, you didn't chew it. You're not chewing those. Come here. Sit. Down. Boy. There you go, finally. You chewed that one. You chewed that one. Stop. Come on. Good boy. Alright, so we're currently at Zoe's appointment. I didn't go in with her. I'm selling in like the waiting area. We did some training, we went outside, we did our things. Now we're just gonna sit here and wait for her to be done. Keena's right here. Looking all cute, whatever. We're in the little like waiting area. Her appointment's just like over down that hall. So here. Bye.
sun goes down.
Yep. Thank you.
When the sun goes down.
There you go. Good boy. Good boy. So back at home, Zoe's, I don't know if she has another appointment today, but we'll see. I'm making spaghetti, and then Ross gonna make brownies, because we're both starving, and we like those. So that's what we're gonna do. Basically, we don't have anything else to do today. Good boy. Yes. Good boy. You say hi? Yeah? Kinoy, will you say hi? Say hi. Good boy. Say hi. Good boy.
This clip was so funny too. Me. I really hope you enjoy it.
Happy first day of Christmas, everyone. So, it is currently December 1st, 2022. Sorry for my voice. Ooh, we're going to the laundromat, and then I'm picking up some people. You guys, stop. I was itching my eyes, so he was pawing me, and now he's just in the way. I need to take them outside. And then we have to go to the laundromat. Laundromat, pick up boys, pick up Zoe's Christmas present. And then Zoe has to go to work. And I'm staying.
We got a blizzard, so didn't actually get to do anything.
Good morning.